Hi everyone, this is Arpan Sarkar from Spider Software. Today we are here to discuss one of the best strategy for index momentum trading. So we will be using some indicators through which we can trade in index Nifty and Bank Nifty in the momentum segment. Okay, so we are using anchored VWAP. This green and red line combination is anchored VWAP, and this light blue line combination is the normal VWAP. Okay, so we are using anchor VWAP and VWAP for index momentum trading. Alongside supportive, we are using smooth RSI. Alongside, we are using supportive smooth RSI. So now we will be discussing how to take a trade from anchored VWAP and VWAP with the support of smooth RSI. So when the market will be in the rising momentum, when the market will be in the flat section, and again when the momentum will be rising, so we'll be discussing in this video right now. Okay, so as we can see here, one of the green candle has touching VWAP and anchored VWAP and closed above the this anchored VWAP section. We can see one of the green candle is touching VWAP and anchored VWAP and closed above the anchored VWAP. Okay, at that point of time, we can see this smooth RSI. It has changed from red to green section. We can see the smooth RSI changed from red to green zone. Okay, and it is around the 60 level. Okay, now we'll be having doubt that it can happen simultaneously, but all the time price can go up or not. So for that, we are now discussing the main part of the video. So if we see here, anchored VWAP and VWAP were both rising when this candle has got closed above these two VWAPs, and the supportive smooth RSI also given the positive trend from 60 levels. We can see the anchored VWAP was also rising, and the normal VWAP was also rising over here. Okay, then after some time around 10:30 or 10:45, around that point of time, the anchored VWAP has gone flat. Flat in the sense it is not in this mode like this rising mode. It is in the flattened mode, or in the straight wave mode. Okay, till 2:45 p.m. or 2:30 to 2:45 p.m. So we can see from the distance around 10:30 to 2:45 p.m. the anchored VWAP was in the flat zone. So when this anchored VWAP is in the flat zone, we can see the price, there will be no momentum. I mean, it will be volatile or sideways market. Even though the candles are above anchored VWAP, this VWAP is above the anchored VWAP, candles are above anchored VWAP also, there will be volatility and sideways in the market. Okay, and you can see once this is the 85 line. Okay, in the smooth RSI, this is the dot line is the 85 line. So okay, after touching the 85 line, slowly the anchored VWAP has sideways, and this RSI also, smooth RSI also start its correction. Okay, that means profit booking and sideways are also going on. So the same thing has continued till 2:45 p.m. Okay, later we can see again one of the candle has closed above the anchored VWAP. Okay, and we can see that anchored VWAP is slowly started changing its direction. Anchored VWAP slowly changed its direction, and we can see again the RSI has started its journey from 60 level. Before that it was a small dot, and that before that it was in the red color. Okay, so again when it is crossing the 60 level, the bars has been increased. Okay, and the price is also moving upside. So we can see the rise in the price. So when the anchored VWAP in the flatter zone, maximum time market will be sideways or volatile. When anchored VWAP and VWAP both will rise with the support of smooth RSI, then there will be price rise. Similarly, in the vice versa, when the anchored VWAP will be falling, okay, when the anchored VWAP will be falling, as we can see in the previous day, anchored VWAP falling, and the smooth RSI also change its trend from green to red. Okay, it will travel, it will continue the momentum. Again, when it is in the flatter side, there will be volatility in the market. So this is how we can identify the momentum trend in the intraday market. and rising trend or falling trend in the intraday market, and where the volatility and sideways market is there, we can identify easily for the intraday momentum trade. Okay, so I hope you like this video very much. Okay, any further doubts, any questions, or for regarding demo or regarding strategy, you can call me. I will mention my details in this video, end of this video. So you can contact me directly on the same number. So we'll be discussing over that. Thank you very much.